our 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan here today. We're going to reset the oil life reminder. Go ahead and just push and hold the start button. Get the dash to activate here. We're going to go through the center stack here, through the menu, to vehicle setting, and then settings on the bottom right. You can scroll down and hit service, and you can see that our oil change is due right now, which we just completed. And up here, you got the 0 button. So with the key back in the off position, we're going to want to hold the 0.0 button here, turn the key to the on position, and it's going to display, do you really want to reset? We're going to let go of that button and hit it again, and it will reset. So let's go ahead and show you that. Ignition on, hold the button, let go, push it again, and then it's reset. That's all there is to it.